Hi guys, it's Joanie from simplelivingmama.com, and this week here on the vlog and on my blog I am talking all about our individual homeschool curriculum choices, and this video in particular is about what I'm using for my 5th grader. So I am really excited to share that stuff with you. I mentioned in my previous videos, if I can find a program that covers it all and works for our family, then I will use it. And I have found that with the Good and the Beautiful for language arts and for geography and you know, a lot of different art things too. It's just been fantastic, and I started it with this child who's going into 5th grade. He was kind of having some struggles with reading and stuff. So I tried the Good and Beautiful with him, and everything just blossomed. The program worked so wonderfully for him, and that's what kind of pushed me over to the Good and the Beautiful, was just how much more enjoyable school was and how much more he was retaining by using the Good and the Beautiful. So he is going to be starting level 3. Now keep in mind that the Good and the Beautiful's language arts in particular is not based on grade level. So even though he is a 5th grader, it's perfectly fine that he's using level 3, because he didn't start level 2 until the very end of his 3rd grade year, and then we worked on it all through his 4th grade year. So it's more about where your child is at and less about their grade level. And also their language arts program is advanced, so you'll want to keep that in mind. So it's not a big deal that he's in 5th grade working through level 3. Level 3 is a pretty huge course book. We're going to be studying literature, grammar and usage, punctuation, art, geography, spelling, vocabulary, and writing. So we are super duper excited about that. And I do like how we continuously review different different maps and stuff, so they can really learn about geography. And here's the course companion that includes the spelling words, and then let's see, it has their map keys and stuff. So apparently we're going to be working on some states this year, their daily checklist, their poetry memorization, and here's a look at the spelling and all of that. So that is what he's using for language arts. He's also got challenging word cards that we will be using, and then this course comes with 2 readers actually. So we have Favorite Classics Volume 1. And these stories are just so cute. So he'll be reading that. And then Favorite Classics Volume 2. And when I go to place the order for my daughter's typing book, I will look and see. I think there might be another book that goes along with this level 3 curriculum. Penny's Worth of Character or something like that. Not 100% sure, but I'm gonna check on that and see. And speaking of typing, he does really well at typing, so I am starting him on typing 2 from the Good and the Beautiful. It comes with stickers when you complete. Shows you how to parts of the keyboard, parts of the keyboard, and then how to hold your fingers on the keyboard, and then how to complete a lesson, and then different lessons here and things that they'll be working on. So he's doing typing 2. For handwriting, he is using level 6. This one opens like this, which is good because he's a lefty, so he'll like that. And of course we'll be doing lots of cursive and then drawing and stuff with this one. And then he also has a nature notebook. He will be doing Boy Scouts and piano lessons with Hoffman Academy as well. And then math is also teaching textbooks. He's on level 4, I think, and then he will move into level 5 pretty quickly because he really enjoys math. And then something else I'm looking into for him is he just loves computers. He loves coding. He loves learning all of that stuff. So I am looking into Scrafty and maybe a mod class or something like that for him because he has expressed interest in that. So I'm all about letting our kids explore their passions. So that is what he's going to be doing for his 5th grade curriculum. I will have links down below for all of our curriculum choices for the 2019-2020 school year. We hope that you stick around so you can come along with us on our large family homeschool adventures. We talk all about homeschool stuff and homemaking stuff. It's a lot of fun. So yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.